All right, congratulations. Let me be the one to tell you that you came to the absolutely the right place to finally add some predictability into your sales process, into your calendar, guys. Congratulations. You're making an excellent decision by watching this. By simply watching this, because our AI appointment client acquisition system is going to completely take the market. It's going to completely revolutionize the way that we get appointments. It's going to completely revolutionize the way that you just handle your business and overall just make it so much simpler. So allow me 10 minutes of your time to explain how this process works. Okay. So now we got to make sure that we are giving this process to the right types of people. And there's a couple of pieces of criteria that we need to make sure that you have in order for this to just overall just transform your business. Okay. Because we're only taking a select few amount of people. This does not work for everybody. This is not some sort of templated solution. This is a custom built solution to your business that's overall going to drastically increase scales and add predictability. So let's get started. Who's this client acquisition system for? This is for entrepreneurs that are doing more than 5K a month in revenue, looking for a concrete sales funnel system, needs a top tier ads team to scale your offer, needs help booking more calls, wants to streamline the processes with automations, and wants a go-to expert to show them how to grow. What are you going to get? What are the deliverables, Blade? Lead generation and a marketing team. You're going to be able to acquire new customers from social media with our expert team, with our lead generation team, with our marketing team, crafting a targeting ad campaigns that's going to ultimately going to deliver amazing results, and it's going to maximize your ROI, guys. We work with places like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and even sometimes LinkedIn as well too. Next thing, what are you going to get? So first of all, you're going to get our expert graphic design team, guys. You know, the ads are only going to perform as well as our graphic design team. And when you're running ads, before I even kind of move forward, is that when you're running ads, think about it. What do you do when you see a ad on the TV or on Netflix or on Hulu? You know, me personally, I immediately turn away. I immediately go get some snacks. I immediately just, my subconscious mind just automatically, if I see an ad, I go away. You know, I don't look, I don't pay attention. So what we need to do is we need to have a solid team that understands psychology, understands what grabs attention, and understands what keeps attention and converts your attention. Because right now in a market where you don't have a lot of time to really grab attention, you need to really know what you're doing. Okay. Next thing over here. You're also going to get a powerful CRM. You're going to be able to stay organized with automations, nurture campaigns, email, text messages, content distribution. Everything that you're going to have that we're going to be providing you is going to be placed onto one CRM that's going to allow you to completely automate the entire back end of your business. And I can guarantee you, look no further in terms of making sales easy than our CRM. Next, and of course, you get KPI reports, guys. So in terms of being an entrepreneur, guys, you need to make sure that you focus on the bigger picture. You can't constantly be worrying about individual ads and what's working. You got to be the bigger picture guy. So we're going to make sure that you're going to get weekly KPI reports to understand what is working, what isn't working, and overall what we're doing in your ad CRM in order to make sure that you have a good understanding on what's actually working, okay? Next thing, personal concierge. Oh yeah, guys, you're getting fancy with it. So what you're going to be able to get is your own dedicated manager, your own dedicated consultant to be able to go back and forth with and understand what's going on in the business with the automations and with your ads so that we can provide you with the best possible results and commitment of outstanding communication with us, our team, and you and your team. Next thing you're going to get is our AI appointment center, guys. We call it AVA for short, automated VA, in which case we're going to be able to pre-qualify leads and schedule appointments with you and even handle upsells and downsells all through text messaging, through SMS, through Instagram, through Facebook Messenger DM, TikTok DM, all through the social media. I call it hustling. We're going to be able to pre-qualify and schedule up appointments for you. Next thing, I'm just going to get your boy Blade. See that handsome smug over there? That's me. And I'm going to show you how you can scale your business completely on autopilot. Why work with us? Because we're simpler, we're faster, and we're easier, guys. We've been in this business 4 or 5 years now. And one thing that we realize is the marketing landscape is constantly evolving, constantly growing. Over here at Funnel Hacker Lab, we make sure we stay on top of things like with this solution, with this AI solution, so we can always provide you with the best industry top rated results. Problem one, problem two, problem three. Okay. Your service is good and selling, but you want a proven method to scale with your paid advertising. Problem two, right now you're missing out on follow up with leads because you're wearing all the hats and understanding that you're leaving money on the table. Or problem three, this could be you as well too. Your service needs to be seen in front of more people, and you need a solid ads team that is not going to lose you money. So this is you guys. Look no further. These are the solutions that we got. So if you problem one, we do an extensive audit of your current system and present gaps that could be stopping you from optimal output. Solution two, we could build out a custom AI chatbot that will follow up with every lead and drive them to your calendar. Or solution three, we work directly with your media buyer, with our media buyer to scale your business fast, guys. These are just some of the things that we do for you. Our AI appointment setter, like I was saying before, it's going to be integrated directly with OpenIO, synced synonymously with OpenAI with our APIs, and we're going to be able to text every lead, qualify every lead, book appointments. We're going to be able to upsell. We're going to be able to downsell. Okay. We're going to be able to answer questions based upon your business. And what's even greater, to be able to even speak on the tonality of yourself. Like, let's say you speak more professional, you like a healthcare niche, or maybe you're more down to earth. You're just a simple influencer, and you want to speak in different tonality. We can handle that as well too. We want to make sure that the bot is custom fitted to your business, custom fitted to you, so that it's going to maximize the results for you. Our appointment setter, we let AI handle the front lead and humans to do the heavy lifting to keep your calendar booked. We're going to be able to qualify leads, remind leads to actually show up to the meetings, and we're also going to make sure that we follow up with these leads. You know, if you ever get those, hey, I'm interested, but I'm not ready yet, our AI will be able to follow up with those, so make sure that our brand is constantly in front of them, so that when they are ready to invest, boom, they're already getting messages from us, they're already getting emails from us, so they know that we're the go-to person because we got the solution to their problems. Cool. Next thing is a custom built CRM, guys. Automated CRM pipelines. All your leads in one location. It's going to grow with your company, guys. We're going to build this CRM. It's not just a one size fit all type of solution. We're going to be taking a CRM. We're going to understand your business. We're going to build out the CRM custom to your business so we can completely automate the back end of your business. And guys, this is going to be an ever growing CRM. Okay. We just can't just set it and forget it. That's not how this is going to work. We're going to be working with you hand in hand to make sure that your CRM is best optimized to handle the lead flow. Make sure it responds to the lead, make sure it nurtures the leads, make sure that it schedules appointments for you, make sure it's closing deals for you while you're not there. And even for your active clients, making sure that we're handling all your active clients, keeping track of all your clients as well too. Our process for completion, guys. Week one, we onboard you and we talk about strategy, show you what's going to work. Week two is the funnel build out, guys. Funnel build out and the AI chatbot. Week three is automation and integrations. And week four is going to be the actual deliverables and the revisions, guys. Here's a couple of our top client reviews. Ricardo and Dion over here, guys. We do great work for them, right? And so they're leaving us a couple of testimonials over here. We got a couple more over here. Something by Ryan over here. Sold 15 more clients than his record with us in the first month that we're just working with us. That's in the first month. Next one, we got over here. Richard over here scaled his business from 0 to 10K in 3 months using our system and marketing strategies. Guys, here's a couple of our competitive advantages and why you should choose us, why we're the best over here, guys. And we can constantly say that, backed up by our 100% money back guarantees. We're so confident in this, guys. Advantage one is our experience. The majority of our clients generate over 150K to 400K annually. Our experience is well qualified to help you scale your credit repair business fast. Advantage two, we understand sales psychology. Our agency studies Russell Brunson, Jason, and other great people to understand the sales techniques and psychology for funnels and AI chatbots, guys. You're working with the best right now, right? We understand all this shit. Latest strategies. Due to our agency having the opportunity to work with top clients in the field, we always have the latest and greatest and the best data trends of what's working and what's not working. Advantage four, design aesthetic. Our agency is routinely praised on our funnels and eye-catching graphic generation that we have. Okay, we're not going to be just throwing around some clunky, scammy looking thing. No, we don't do templates, guys. We do custom solutions that work, that we study upon. We've been working in the space, like I said, 4 to 5 years. We've been getting a good understanding on what works and what doesn't. I mean, be the one to tell you that those clunky, scammy looking funnels, templates don't work. We need to make a custom solution for you. Appointment automation done for you. DFY is the name of the game, guys. We're going to provide a custom funnel for you guys that's going to convert. We understand the sales psychology of leads coming in. We understand how to make this funnel work, how to make this funnel convert, and we understand how to convey your offer in a way that people are going to understand really, really quick, and people are going to do the conversion that you want them to do, in which case it's usually like schedule up an appointment with you. This is a mock-up of one of our funnel build-outs. So even before we do anything with you, we are going to give you a mock-up of what the funnel and what the automations are going to look like, so that you have a full understanding of what your business is going to look like when it's fully automated with us. Of course, this is your team. This is the handsome, sexy guys over here. You got your boy Blade over here, and our other buddy over here, Nick, as well too. This is your team. We also do have a series of funnel designers, developers, VA network, but these are just the two handsome faces that really just make these things happen, guys. So you guys, make sure you don't reach out, guys. Book your strategy call right now. Because regardless, in this strategy session, what I want to do is I want to take you by your hand. I want to show you exactly what you need to do to scale your credit per business as if it was our own, without any stress of a sales call. So regardless, in this call, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to scale your business so that you're going to get value regardless. Okay. Once again, it's our job to make you as successful as possible. So we're going to start it off with that sales call, guys. Make sure you hop on that sales call. Make sure you try out Funnel Hacker Labs. We're going to make you as successful as you've ever been before, because we've got the strategies, the tried and true proven strategies to scale your business, guys. Implement AI into your business so that you can finally automate, elevate, and liberate you from your business. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you on that funnel mapping session. Peace.